all about getting on, isn't it?
Behind the magic, le train qui vous conduit dans les coulisses du cinéma.
Indeed, it's our pleasure to be your guides on the Behind the Magic Studio tour.
Est-ce que vous vous êtes déjà demandé qui sont toutes ces professions qui défilent au générique de fin?
Okay.
Eh bien,
This changed when French New Wave directors like Truffaut and Godard took their cameras to the streets. So today, many filmmakers still use the controlled environment of a studio backlot, like the set you see here from the dinosaur production Dinotopia.
le scénario décrivait une ville féerique située au bord d'une somptueuse cascade. La voilà. Ordinateur.
They only build what they need for the actors, but to make this mythical city even more spectacular, the filmmakers brought in visual effects artists.
Des dinosaures.
Oh dear. Me mum broke it.
Will you tell those computer guys to give it a break, please? We're talking about physical effects here. I'm sorry.
Les images de synthèse paraissent même parfois plus vraies que nature. Bravo les mecs, ça c'était super drôle, hein?
You're right, love.
On the upcoming set, they're shooting a scene that's loaded with physical
Oh, you like
effects.
Jeremy Irons?
Extremely dangerous and completely off limits.
Ce plateau est fermé au public.
Come on.
Special effects set, please, thank you.
Is that rain, is it? No. Please, something explode. Hey, look at that. It's raining. Ugh. I didn't know. I didn't know. Oh man. Oh. Oh. Oh God. You scared, man. Oh. Ah. Wow. You're right. No. Okay. The waterfall scare you? Think it's gonna wash you away? Tell him it's shit. It wasn't.
I was a bit scared.
It's not over. It's
The
not
beauty of a
over.
backlot is that you can turn a corner and be anywhere. London, for example. But London, as you've never seen it before, scorched by dragons.
On a préféré utiliser un studio plutôt qu'endommager tout un quartier de Londres par les flammes que lancent de vrais dragons. Et puis les dragons peuvent être des créatures si capricieuses.
Dragons. Oh my God. dragon bringing fireman.
Oh my god!
You're right, love. Since your eyebrows.
Oh no. Did it? Yeah. I actually felt like heat then.
Oh no, did it? Oh.
And with that, we fade out from our Behind the Magic tour. Share our admiration for the amazing craftspeople, writers,
Big dragon done that, wasn't it?
who help us actors.